Guys, I'm back. I'm back, bitch. Guys, I'm so happy. I'm back to my Wi-Fi. Like, yo, I think that's another reason why I couldn't record in December, because I was home, and home I don't have Wi-Fi. But this video is gonna be long. Let me not take too much of your time. Okay, let's see. We're gonna start this 1.40 odds challenge, 15-day challenge, right? So today we're gonna start with $100. Though now I'm gonna stake 10 rands on the sleep that I'm gonna do now before this one. Like, I saw so many teams that has nice odds that are predictable for today, I hope. So I'm gonna do that for us before going to the 1.40 odds. But yeah, this is what we're gonna do. Day 1 is gonna start today with $100 up until day 15, and by day 15 we should be sitting on 15.556. Guys, 1.40 odds, and we'll still go wrong. I don't know. I don't think so. But I saw someone on Twitter, actually a lot of people on Twitter, like, guys, with challenges, it never goes right, like consecutive days. So what I want us to do is, when we get to at least day 7 or day 8, we take the money and start over. Okay, we take the money and start over, baby. Stop it. Okay, so we're gonna make a sleep for 10 rands, ne? Because I feel like this is gonna come through, man. Okay, so let's look at this now. Breast, yeah, it has been scoring at least over 0.5 on its own. And then nice as well. Baby, is this nice or it's nice, right?
Where?
This one.
It's nice, yeah. Nice.
I want to say nice, but there's no E.
Yeah, but it's a team, you know.
Okay. So they've been scoring well as well. And now this is like 2021. When we go to head, it has been over 1.5 the whole time. So we're gonna go ahead and give knees or nice, whatever it is, and breast over 1.5. Plays at 2. Yeah, plays now at 2. So I hope everybody's gonna catch the sleep. Please. Okay, so when you come to these two teams, 041, 02. Okay, but when they play together, okay, why did I choose this one? No, this was not supposed to be ticked. I don't see what's going on there. Okay, let's look at the head-to-head matches here, ne? The last match these teams played, they scored three goals overall, and then the second last they scored 3 goals as well, and then in 2020 they scored 4 goals in total, and then the 15th of June they scored again 5 goals, and then 2021 goal. Okay, but overall recently they've been scoring over 1.5, guys. They've been scoring over 1.5. So let's pray, okay? Let's pray that they do believe. What am I saying? They do deliver the over 1.5. I don't know. I have so much hope for this sleep. I have so much hope for this sleep, baby. Guys, I gave my boyfriend fresh in. I also took one, and I went to the loo first, and now he's running to the loo. Oh my god, this is funny. Okay, we need to clean, guys. It's January. We've been eating, we've been drinking, so we need to save us. Freshen and Eno, best combo. Okay, so let's go. Now, this teams as well, guys. I'm not gonna explain further anymore. Let's look at the head-to-head matches. It's been over 1.5, so let's pray that today they do deliver over 1.5. Let's pray they do deliver. Why? Oh, it's me. Sorry. No, it can't be this one, is it? With Minako at 6:05. Yeah, here. Okay, let's go with over 1.5. Over 1.5. Yes, guys, please pray. See if we get this one right. Oh my god, we've killed the whole 2022. Let's see, this one is more head-to-head matches. They've been over 1.5 the whole time. So in 2021. So yeah, I would give it to Paris, but it's away. I don't want to give something a straight win when it's away. And on the table, they're on number 1. I really want to give it to them, but hey man, anything is possible when a team is away. So we're just going to go with over 1.5 again. I think on this one, I'm going to put it on the... I'm going to put this one on the 1.40 odds. Yes, I am going to. Okay. But for now, we're going to go with over 1.5. And then... let's see here. Napoli as well, guys. It has been over 1.5. Damn, can they just please... oh, can they just deliver? My god, can they just deliver? Say please, say. This looks like a nice sleep, I'm telling you. I have so much hope on this sleep. Atalanta, and they also been over 1.5. They've been also playing over 1.5. Can I king? Atalanta. They've also been playing over 1.5. And guys, just after this one, immediately after this one, I'm going to go into 1.40 sleep. Juventus, Roma. Guys, okay, I don't know what to say about these ones. I really believe they're gonna give us over 1.5. I mean, I know on the 17th of the 10th month, they gave us 1. But come on. I really do believe they're going to give us over 1.5. Roma. 1, 4, 2, 3. Juventus 1, 2, 2, 1, 1. I don't know what to say, guys. I don't know what to say. I'll come back to it. I don't know what to say, really. Because of that last. Okay, Lazio and Inter Milan also over 1.5. Over 1.5. So this sleep basically is studying over 1.5. Are you okay? Baby, I'm recording. Peki, go buy orange juice, hle. Please, my love, go buy orange juice, hle.
Orange juice.
Yeah.
Yes.
Please, baby. Okay, Mona, I wanted to give them over 1.5, but what's going on here, guys, on their last matches? It's been a lose 0. What's going on? I don't understand what's going on there. Villarreal, Atletico Madrid, over 1.5, over 1.5, over 1.5. Villarreal is home. I really want to give it to Villarreal, but why is Atlanta, Atletico Madrid, okay. Why is it on number 5? Why is it on top of this? Why is what am I saying? Why is Villarreal below Atletico Madrid?
That nigga is filthy, baby, yo.
Which one?
This nigga who your shit fell.
Who?
Where your shit fell.
What's happening?
I feel like this was not changing for nobody.
Yeah, you're fine. What's happening? Okay, guys, that's about it for this sleep. Oh, no, it's not. It's not. We're still going. We're still going. Cardiff is home. So you're going to say Cardiff or draw. Yeah, we're going to say Cardiff or draw. No. Shit. Anything is possible. Cardiff. Yeah, Cardiff or draw. Yo, guys, I hope we don't regret this. I hope we don't regret this. Cardiff or draw. Damn. I really hope we don't regret this, guys. West Ham and Leeds. West Ham 2 to 3 over 1.5. Is West Ham home? West Ham is home. West Ham is home. Okay, now let's just go with over 1.5. Over 1.5. Baby, must you going at 11, eh?
Even now, I'm waiting for him to come.
Waiting for who?
My pocket. Mali.
Oh, okay. West Ham, over 1.5. Over 1.5, guys. Wolves. Let's see, Wolves. Okay, I don't know why did I mark this one? Because I don't see what's going on there.
You're not gonna take long, eh?
Okay, my love. Manchester, baby, do you think Brighton will leave Manchester City? They can give us over 1.5. Women.
Brighton, Manchester City.
Yeah.
Brighton is not gonna win Manchester City.
It's not gonna win. But
My team, baby.
it's women.
It's women.
It's women, yes.
I don't know. You can't predict with ladies. Ladies, they don't even.
That's the thing. They don't even know why.
They don't even know what's gonna happen themselves.
Baby, you be talking shit. Over 1.5k at least. Let's see. Yeah, guys, over 1.5. Come on. Over 1.5. Let's have hope.
Oh, sorry, babe. Sorry.
Let's have.
This video's gonna come out some other words.
You know what? Guys,
You're
forgive
gonna
me.
edit it.
No, I'm no longer editing.
I've been talking all this nonsense.
Yes. You should have known. I told you I'm recording.
Those niggas on think I'm crazy.
You are. Aren't you?
Nope. I'm not.
Okay, over 1.5 doesn't have odds, guys. Let's just pause. Honestly. Okay, that's about it, guys. That's the first sleep. And the second one is gonna be 1.40 odds, okay? Yes, okay, so let's upload this video. How many teams we have? 9. I hope the odds are nice and we have like a nice payout. So yeah, let me work on the 1.40 sleep, because that one should be safe, guys. That one should be safe. So yeah, I'll see you in a minute.